Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best backup cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Raptor ERT01 HD backup camera, priced at $25.99. This camera offers a significant step up in terms of features and quality compared to our budget pick. With a 149-degree wide-angle view, IP69K waterproof rating, and 720p video resolution, this camera provides clear, reliable rear visibility for safer reversing and parking. It also includes 10 LED lights for enhanced night vision and comes with a 26-foot RCA cable for universal connectivity to monitors, radios, or DVD players. The design is compact and discreet with a sturdy metal housing that ensures durability against shocks, dust, and water. The double bracket system allows easy installation behind license plates or on other vehicle surfaces, making it adaptable to various vehicle types such as cars, SUVs, or trucks. The user experience is smooth thanks to its straightforward installation process and automatic LED lighting for night vision. The Raptor ERT01 is a fantastic mid-range option for those who want reliability without breaking the bank. While it doesn't offer advanced HD resolution or wireless features, it strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. Pros include excellent waterproofing, clear night vision, and a wide-angle view, while cons are the limited resolution and lack of wireless connectivity. Overall, it's a dependable choice for everyday use. Our number 3 pick is the Pixelman backup camera, priced at $38.59. This camera is a standout option for its impressive 1080p resolution and advanced features like HD and AHD signal switching. Designed with a 1/2 7-inch large chit and f1.4 aperture lens, it delivers bright, high-definition images even in low-light conditions. The 170-degree wide-angle lens provides excellent coverage, minimizing blind spots and making parking safer. Built with durability in mind, the Pixelman camera features a metal alloy housing and IP69 lifetime waterproofing, ensuring long-term reliability in harsh weather conditions. The installation process is straightforward, with 2 mounting options available: a hidden license plate bracket or a more exposed surface mount. Its thick copper core wiring enhances signal stability, adding to its overall performance. The Pixelman backup camera is perfect for users who want advanced features like AHD compatibility and superior image quality without jumping to premium pricing. It's a great choice for those who value durability and performance. Pros include robust build quality, stunning night vision, and high resolution, while cons are the lack of wireless connectivity and compatibility limitations with non-RCA screens. Overall, this camera delivers excellent value for its price point. At number 2 is the Pemiccom magnetic solar wireless backup camera, a versatile and innovative choice designed for trucks, trailers, and small RVs. While the price isn't listed, this camera offers premium features that justify its position on our list. The standout feature is its magnetic base for quick, scratch-free installation in under a minute. It's paired with a solar panel for continuous power and a 15,000 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts up to 24 hours on a single charge. The Pemiccom camera boasts 1080p resolution and incorporates advanced algorithms for clearer images and enhanced night vision. The 7-inch LCD screen provides a high-quality display, while the IP69 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in extreme weather conditions. The system supports dual video channels, allowing users to add a second camera for even greater visibility. Its powerful digital signal receiver ensures stable image transmission without delays, making it ideal for larger vehicles. This camera is perfect for users who need a portable, wireless solution with long-lasting battery life. It's particularly suited for road trips and outdoor use. Pros include effortless installation, superior image clarity, and durable construction. Cons are the unknown price and limited compatibility with smaller vehicles. If functionality and convenience are your priorities, this is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Yakri RV Backup Camera Wireless Plug-and-Play System, the premium option on our list, priced at $99.99. This camera is packed with high-end features, including HD 1080p resolution, a 7-inch touch-key monitor, and a dual antenna design for enhanced signal stability. It's pre-wired for the Furrion system, making installation on RVs, trailers, and motorhomes a breeze. The signal range reaches up to 825 feet in open areas, ensuring smooth performance even for larger vehicles. The Yakri camera doubles as a dash cam, allowing you to record footage while driving. Its IP69K waterproof rating and infrared night vision provide reliable performance in all weather and lighting conditions. The system supports up to 4 cameras, offering unparalleled versatility for users who need comprehensive coverage. The touch key interface and intuitive design make it user-friendly, even for beginners. This is the ideal choice for RV owners, frequent travelers, or anyone who values premium features and performance. While it's the most expensive camera on our list, its advanced functionality and durability make it well worth the investment. Pros include exceptional image quality, multi-camera support, and effortless installation. While cons are the higher price and niche focus on larger vehicles, if you're looking for the best of the best, the Yakri system is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.